Okay, we are back again. This is part one of From a Drawing to the Lathe. So we have a little drawing here to the right. I'm going to talk a little quick and we're going to do this a little quickly because we've got a lot of ground to cover. I'm going to show you how to draw this really quickly into a 3D model. And then when we are done with that, we may have to get into a part two, but we are going to cam that directly out of here to show you how you would write the program on CAM to make this piece. So let's start with a sketch. I am going to start from the top. We know that our part is 0.99 at our starting point of our thread. I'm going to use the revolve feature, so I'm going to divide then all of our heights by 2. We know that it is 1.0 long into the next face. We know the next face is at 1.73. Again, we divide it by 2. Oop, I almost made a mistake. We need to draw a line for our baseline here because this is our 0 point. So, come back. I'm going to use our baseline real quick. 0.73 divided by 2. I'll come back and clean this up with the trim tool later. We know that that is 2 inches long. We know it's going to come back down to the same height for another inch. Okay. And we've basically got our profile here now. Like all the dimensions in my way, we're going to trim this up. Trim there, and any lines you have coming up from your baseline. Trim there. Okay, now we need to do our chamfers. This over here with the math is a 60 thou chamfer. This up here is a 30 thou chamfer. Same thread on both sides. Okay, we've basically got our profile. So we're going to revolve this. X-axis. Okay. Now that we've got our cylinder, we've got our edge breaks, our chamfers. Now we want our thread. So we're going to select it. Show it modeled. It says it is a 1" 8 3A. Turn that to a 3A. Okay. On this side, do the same thing. Turn it to a 3A. And you can, when you don't have this full link turned on, you can stop the thread where you want it to be. Okay, now we've got both sides. Now we're going to move into how to cam this out next. Stay tuned.